बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the last lesson of unit number 6 from Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Students, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, हम यूनिट नंबर 6 के फर्स्ट 3 लेसन्स अटेंड कर चुके हैं, जिसमें हमने कुछ बुक एक्टिविटीज़ को कवर किया है एंड कुछ स्पोकन एक्टिविटीज़ को. Today's lesson is about written work. So in order to do the written work, we need an English notebook, 2-line English notebook. We need black pointer for headings, blue ink pen for writing, and a scale for drawing margin lines. Clear, students? So without wasting your time, let's start our today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, we are going to learn to write, and what we have to do: visit a park / mark it and write any 10 actions in complete sentences that are happening there. Now we have a choice, as you can see, visit a park or mark it. आपने इन दोनों में से एक करना है. And what we have to do, we are going to write 10 actions, okay, in complete sentences that are happening there. Happening there means we have to write 10 ongoing actions. What will be the structure, beta? Structure of present continuous tense, जो हमने इस यूनिट में प्रैक्टिस किया है. Present continuous tense means, yes, ongoing actions, actions that are going on in front of our eyes. And what is the structure, बेटा? हम किस तरह से लिखते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस को? हम किस तरह से यूज़ करते हैं? We use is, am, are प्लस एक्शन. और वो एक्शन हमारा किस तरह का होता है? एक्शन हैविंग इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. एक्शन हम इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब वाला यूज़ करेंगे. एज यू कैन सी इन क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो हैपनिंग देयर, हैपनिंग. ओके, सो यू विल डू 1 विजिट अ पार्क और विजिट अ मार्केट. हम एक ही करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वर्क. लेट्स हैव अ लुक फॉर कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Okay, my dear students, it's your notebook presentation. First of all, you will mark today's date in English date, then page number, Islamic date, then you will give the heading on the top line, a visit to a park. Then you will draw 2 finger gap plus double margin line on left side, and 1 finger gap plus single margin line on right side. And you will start your work from here. So let's start making sentences first of all. Okay, my dear students, as you know, I have decided a visit to a park, and you can see a picture of the park here. Now we'll start making sentences, and we have to make 10 sentences by using present continuous tense, and it tells us about ongoing actions. So let's have a look which actions are going on right now. First sentence you will make: I am going to a park with my family. Birds are flying in the sky. A boy is flying a kite. A boy is laying on the grass. A man is sitting on the bench and reading a book. Mr. and Mrs. Hasnat are walking. You can say Mr. and Mrs. Hasnat are walking. Hina is skipping a rope. A dog is walking with a girl. A boy is jogging on the track. I am enjoying a lot in the park. So these are 10 sentences that you will make from this picture. You can make more sentences if you have another picture. आप और sentences भी बना सकते हैं और आप किसी पार्क के विजिट के लिए भी जा सकते हैं ये अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए. एंड यू कैन राइट 10 sentences, 10 complete sentences you have to make. Clear students, are you getting? So इस तरह से हमने 10 sentences बनाए हैं. Now let's write on notebook. Okay my dear students, in this way you will do your work and you will make 10 sentences. You will start from here. First letter will be capital and full stop will be end when you will complete your first sentence. Okay, what you have to do, you have to start your work from here. I am going to a park with my family. Birds are flying in the sky. A boy is laying on the grass. First letter capital, full stop. A man is sitting on the bench and reading a book. Mr. and Mrs. Hasnat are walking. Hina is skipping a rope. A dog is walking with a girl. A boy is jogging on the track. A boy is flying a kite. I am enjoying a lot in the park. In this way you will complete your work and you have to write a market also, a visit to a market. अगर आप लोग पार्क वाला नहीं करना चाहते तो you have choice, you will do a visit to a market and you have to make exactly 10 sentences and you have to practice this structure by heart. Okay बेटा, written और oral दोनों में आपने अच्छे से present continuous tense की प्रैक्टिस करनी है और आपने इसको माइंड में रखना है. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट लेसन. टिल देन टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.